Ever pondered on what the future holds for the Toyota 4Runner? Well, the 6th generation 4Runner, expected to make its grand entry in 2025, might just be the answer you're looking for. The 2025 Toyota 4Runner is rumored to borrow some front-end styling features from its sibling, the 2024 Tacoma. The C-pillar might take on a more vertical stance, making it easier for passengers to slide into the second row. Now that's a thoughtful touch. Under the hood, the 4Runner plans to bid adieu to its V6 engine, welcoming a 4-cylinder engine instead. Some believe it could be the Tacoma's 2.4-liter gas engine, and for those who love manual transmission, guess what? Toyota may be reintroducing it for the 4Runner. Toyota has a vision for 2025 to offer a hybrid option for every vehicle. Hence, it's likely that the 4Runner will also feature a hybrid powertrain, possibly the iForce Max 4-cylinder. The 2025 4Runner could also introduce a premium grade called the Trail Hunter, following in the footsteps of the Tacoma. The interior is expected to undergo a significant makeover, taking cues from the Tacoma. Expect a blend of modernization and upgrades, paving the way for a more refined and comfortable driving experience. While an electric 4Runner is not expected at the launch of the 6th generation, it could be a possibility later down the line. In terms of its build, the new 4Runner will likely be built on the new TNGA-F truck platform, and production may shift to North America. Toyota is also prioritizing fuel economy. The new 4Runner is expected to outshine the current model in terms of efficiency. As for the price, it remains a mystery, but don't expect a significant increase. In a nutshell, the 2025 4Runner promises a refined design, a potential hybrid powertrain, a revamped interior, and better fuel efficiency. It's all about blending tradition with innovation, and we can't wait to see how this vision materializes in the all-new Toyota 4Runner. The future of Toyota 4Runner, it seems, is set to be as thrilling as its journey so far.